Usembut Menteri Rangba Kejela ubak kami ia ketanat kampo yang ubak Preston Tensong ula ong lakmi lenti baka Judicial Inquiry Commission kan sedang no ia ka jingtohkit halor ka jingbthei hapo ka parti dewiong bean hamensngan hakathan tangsko East Giant Hills kebalashim ni ka jingim jong kilai pungut kinong trebela. Ya kanika Commission on Clear da unong bishar bala shongthan lambat arngot kidukan. Hapadeng kanika Special Investigation Team SIT bala thong daki pulit kala deps dang ban pelong ya ka jingtohkit halor kanika jingja. Ka SIT kelas dang yala ka jongka kam jongka kumta tungin ab hadu banda IT ya ka kaipot ong uba Preston. Ula ong ru bala kemi ki katu ka ningot ki beriu ha ka bayade baka jingyo da ka basuk e ki tiar penbethei hapo ka district bat na kaliang ki board district kidang tohkit panlap ya ka rukam penpoi ya ki tiar penbethei. Ngilayo ban kemi ki katu ka ningot ki beriu na kaliang ka sorkar ka kunjingmat scam ban khanglat ya ka kamti dewiong bean ha ka jela Meghalaya ula benrap. Gila dap ban batha iki board district ban pentik na ban pensange no i kajingti dewiong ha kino kinu kerdan ong uba Preston ha bakali halor kajingdan benta joginong trade dewiong na kelengkari. Menta te omsho ngidon kam ban mi shakman ban ngidon kam shisha ban le persha ting e halor kani kajingja ngin om ailat e kino kinu ki kam bean bakin jia hapo kajela ula benram.
Yeah, as IT is different from the ambit of this commission, but of course this commission, I think the order is about to come out very soon, maybe tonight or maybe lately tomorrow. Okay, that because we have already decided that the Judicial Inquiry Commission has to be put up to go all the details of this illegal activities that has happened and also the the unfortunate incident that has happened and not less than 33 people lost their life. By and large, the commission has to be headed by the retired judge, and then another two members. So let us wait when the notification comes out. Then you will be able to see exactly the members of this commission. SIT has been constituted by the PHQ under the direction of DGP. So now the SIT has started its duties. So let us wait till the report is submitted. Well, from the district administration is Chat Hills, be it the deputy commissioner and be it the SP, they are all out to close down such illegal coal mining that has happened and which is also happening till today. And we have already strongly directed both the DC and the SP to make sure that this illegal activities again should not reoccur. That's what we have made quite a number of arrests. So now the investigation is on. We have taken all issues into consideration. Who supplied the illegal explosion again? Because see, there are rules, there are regulations where you need to procure and you can procure these explosives. So all these angles has been also taken into consideration. And as I said to you, the investigation is on, and very soon we will come out. And especially the SIT has just started the job, so let us wait. Till then we'll be able to know exactly. I think time and again you used to ask question to me, and I think you ask question to CM or to the honorable ministers time and again. And our reply is what? Simply that our reply is yes, we have already instructed the district administration to please make sure that illegal coal mining be stopped at any level. So that was the decision we taken. That was the order we issued to all the district administration. But when you come back to this very, I should say, the saddest and unfortunate incident that has happened. As I said to you, we need to come out heavily. Now or no more. We need to come out and we have to really react very, very heavily on this incident, what has happened. Because see, more or less, when the arrest made, the issue is what? The issue is ultimately said, we were compelled to, because of livelihood. You have it? But again, when you say livelihood, from where did you get so many laborers from, from different parts of our country? So therefore, as I said to you, right now, our point is very clear. We will not allow illegal activities to happen in the state, but it has happened, as I said to you, and now the response also is very, very strongly responded by the government, and we are going to really make sure that this incident that has happened should not reoccur.